How's it going, guys? So today I get to change out my wheel hub assembly. So I'm gonna show you how it's done. First, you take the wheel off. Once your wheel is out of the way, go ahead and take your pads and rotors off. Now that the brakes are out of the way, you got 3 to 4 bolts on the backside. I think it's 3 on this. And that one castle nut right in the middle. Go ahead and get that off, and it'll be done. There you go. That's how you get your wheel bearing off. Yummy. Whew. Oh yeah. That's been eating away at itself for a while. Get my axle back in place. I'll clean this up and put it back together. That was fun.